I need one person to be alarmed and disturbed and you're going to jail. So you got two options. We're going to go outside in the car. You're going to wait in the back of my car for an Uber.
You're a liar.
Or you're going to jail. I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this.
I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this to everyone.
Do you understand? You're
No,
resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
I am resisting.
I know you're resisting and you're going to jail.
I'm resisting.
You're going to go to...
On December 7th, 2025, an officer responded to a bar disturbance call involving an intoxicated patron. What this footage actually documents is a near-textbook application of disorderly conduct arrest procedure and a subject who generated every charge she ultimately faced.
Hey there, how are you?
Hi.
What's going on?
I'm just sitting here.
You're just sitting here? No, from my understanding, you're not just sitting here. I think you've overstayed your welcome.
I'm okay, I'll go home.
Okay, let's go.
No problem.
Alright, how are you planning on getting home?
Uber.
Uber? Okay. That's fine, but you're having trouble standing up and your shoes untied. So, I don't want you to fall. Yeah, you're having trouble standing. Easy. I'm gonna put
So I did nothing wrong.
Nobody said you did anything wrong.
So get off my arm like
I'm trying to stop you from breaking your head open on the floor.
So you're doing something that's not nice.
I'm what?
You're like doing something that's not nice.
No, I don't want you to
All
fall.
professional. I don't
You
like
literally can't stand straight.
I can Uber and get in the back of the car and be done with you. I don't have to deal with you.
I don't know why you're giving me attitude. I'm trying to help you out from going to jail.
Go to jail for what?
Disorderly conduct and throwing a bar.
I didn't throw anything.
Okay, not what I was told.
Show a picture. Show a picture.
I need one person to be alarmed and disturbed and you're going to jail. So you got two options. We're going to go outside in the car. You're going to wait in the back of my car for an Uber.
You're a liar.
Or you're going to jail.
Show a picture.
Go. Let's go. We're out of the bar.
I would like this.
We're out of the bar.
I would like this.
You're going to go in handcuffs in about a second.
Be cool.
Go ahead. These people are trying to enjoy their evening and you're ruining it.
What? You suck. You're awful.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, fine. I appreciate that.
You got your ID? Because you're about 3 seconds away from going to jail. And if you refuse to give me your ID, you are going
Can
to
I
jail.
tie my boot?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You just have to lace it properly.
Can you do it right?
No, I'm not tying your boot.
Okay.
You just called me an or something, so I'm not tying
Yes,
your
you
boot.
are an
No,
See, and this is...
sweetheart, you need to stop.
Alright.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
He's not going
Okay.
away, honey. He's the law.
I don't
Hi,
care.
were you alarmed and disturbed?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Most state disorderly conduct statutes share a common structure. Unreasonable conduct must cause a third party to be genuinely alarmed or disturbed, not merely annoyed or offended. Before making any arrest, the officer did something many officers skip. He found a witness and obtained an on-camera verbal confirmation that she was alarmed and disturbed. That single step established the probable cause element most disorderly conduct charges fail on in court. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided by the Supreme Court in 2001, a custodial arrest for a minor misdemeanor does not violate the Fourth Amendment, provided probable cause exists. That threshold was met here before the arrest was made.
We're in custody now. So now we're done. We're done playing this game.
Why are you doing that?
Stop.
Stop.
You're
doing
not going
that.
to do this.
Why are you doing
You're
this?
not going to do this.
Why are you
You're
doing
not
this?
going to do this.
Right.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
What did I do?
Stop. I gave you so many chances.
I did nothing wrong. What did you do wrong? Did you not? No.
Hey, calm down.
Can you not do that?
Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. You're like crazy. Why are you doing
Stop.
that?
Put your hands
Why are
behind
you
your back.
doing this?
Don't. I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this.
I will put you on the ground if you don't stop.
Stop doing this to
Do you
everyone.
understand?
Stop doing this to everyone. Stop.
Stop. You're done. I gave you plenty.
I will not.
You're
I will
resisting.
not.
Stop resisting.
I am resisting.
I know you're resisting and you're going to jail.
I'm resisting.
You're going to go to the ground in 3 seconds if you don't stop.
So everyone's watching you do this.
I know, and
why are
everybody understands how many...
Why are you watching?
I'm putting you on the
Why
ground.
are you doing that? Rocket, I'm not doing
Stop.
it. You guys see this?
All this could have been
What an
avoided.
awful person that you're doing in front of everyone. I've done nothing wrong. That's awful. It looks so bad for you that you're doing
Honestly,
this.
Just talk to him like he might have given you a right.
I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
you
I
literally
did
told me
nothing
you were
wrong.
resisting.
I did nothing wrong. You're just like acting out.
And now you're going to kick me.
The officer issued 3 explicit verbal warnings before initiating the ground takedown, each one documented on camera, each one ignored by the subject. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989, force is evaluated based on 3 factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether she is actively resisting. All 3 factors supported the takedown at the moment it occurred. The Hobble restraint, a leg restraint device, was applied only after the subject continued kicking while already handcuffed and secured on the ground. Most agency use of force policies authorize the Hobble specifically for this scenario: a restrained subject who remains combative with her lower extremities. Critically, force terminated the moment resistance terminated. The officer conducted welfare checks once she was secured, a duty of care obligation that also reduces civil liability.
Do you want extra charges?
I couldn't care less about what you're doing. I think you're a loser with nothing else going in your life. I think you have nothing going in your life, and you're such a loser. I think you're a loser. You're a loser.
I'm gonna roll you to your side.
You're a loser. You're a loser. You have nothing going in your life.
I'm gonna roll you to your side.
Okay, bye. You're a loser. You're a loser. You sound so stupid.
Okay.
You look like an idiot.
Turn your legs. Don't kick me. Do not kick me. There's a bucket of water by your head. Stop.
Look, don't touch me again.
He's got you in hand.
I don't care. I don't want to touch girl. Just what
Roll to your side and stand up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
Get off me.
Stand up.
Why? What are you doing? That's got you up there. I want nothing to do with you. Get away from me. You've been terrorizing me. Terrorizing me.
I tried giving you a ride home.
You're terrorizing me. Get off me. You're terrorizing me. This one thing's terrorizing me. It's a major problem. Major problem. You're terrorizing me.
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Anything?
What? This guy's terrorizing me. Everyone watch it. You're nuts. Everyone saw you do that.
The
You're
only
crazy.
person acting a fool is you.
I don't care what you're saying to me right now. Get off of me.
Stop. This
What
is
off?
exactly how you got in this
What?
mess.
What are you
Stop.
doing? He's a terrorist nuts. Get off of me.
Kick me in the nuts.
Then stop telling
What the f is wrong with you? You're done.
this guy. Put me on the ground. Get off of me.
You're done? Okay.
Get off of me. Knock it off. This guy. Knock it off. Get off.
Stop.
He's awful. He's a terrorist.
Knock it off.
I have videos and everything. He's a liar.
Are you gonna stop kicking?
No.
You're gonna keep pressing extra charges.
I have videos of this man.
Hey,
He's awful.
Lopez.
Stop.
I don't care. I don't care. Put me in jail. He's a terrorist.
Do you have leg restraints or just
I have
Lopez?
videos.
Is it?
He's a liar. He's a
You gotta scoot her
liar.
out of this, you know?
Get off me. Get off me. He's a terroristic threat. I have videos. I have videos of this man in the bar. Get off me.
Stop. If you kick me in the nuts again,
Get off me. I don't care about your f***ing nuts. You. Let me get on him. I have everything.
got that like?
Pictures of this man in the bar trying to pick up everybody. Stop talking. Stop, bitch. I have everything. Stop it.
Lopez, have the seat.
Oh, jeez. No, I'm doing something. Oh, my God.
You're not giving us a chance or an option.
I don't even care about it. There we go. I don't care about it. Oh,
You wanna try bending her knees?
oh, my knees will snap. You don't do anything for anybody. You guys are losers. You do nothing for anybody. I'm gonna get out of jail. You guys don't care. Get out and do you feel good about yourself? Do you feel good about that? You're a loser. Get off my shoulders. You should be a nice person. Who cares about this? I don't care about this. It's so lame. Take me to the hospital, whatever. I don't care about you. You're not gonna get anything from nothing from me. You're awful. Don't do my job. You ain't doing your Get off me. Who cares? I like being tied up, dummy. I'll drive around. I'm doing it. Bye. Blah, 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 blah. It'll be real close out of your jurisdiction. Bye. So you can't just abduct people. Wrong! This is a big f***ing problem. Big f***ing problem! It's a big f***ing problem. Let me out real quick.
Hey, just
Go away, bye.
if you damage my car, that's going to be extra charge.
I don't care what car I'm in. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You're a loser. Goodbye. You have no credibility. Goodbye. Keep doing it. Go ahead. Keep doing it. You're such a low-life loser. I'm best friends with him. You're such an idiot. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What's his name?
Paul Swanson.
Paul Swanson?
You bet.
Oh,
He's tattooed on my arm. You're an
what?
idiot. You're an idiot. I was just spending time with him. You're an idiot. You're such a fucking stupid low-life loser.
okay, well, you're not gonna hurt my feelings.
I don't care about hurting your feelings. You're an idiot. Go ahead. Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying.
I'm just gonna clear the snow off.
I don't care about you. Shut the f. Get my feet untied, quick, real quick, before I tell Paul Swanson. Bet, get my feet untied, real quick. You're so stupid. I don't care about you. No, untie my, I don't care. I don't care. Untie my hands. Shut up. You have a small d. Untie my hands. Fortunate.
The subject directed sustained profanity and personal insults at the officer throughout the encounter. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, verbal provocation, including explicit profanity, directed at law enforcement is protected speech under the First Amendment. The officer made no attempt to charge her for her language. That restraint was constitutionally required. The repeated kicks to the officer's person acknowledged, by the subject in her own words, establish battery on a law enforcement officer in virtually every U.S. jurisdiction. Unlike verbal abuse, physical contact with an officer acting in official capacity carries no First Amendment protection. In most states, this elevates the charge from a misdemeanor to a felony. The subject's criminal trespass exposure was established the moment she refused to leave after both bar staff and a peace officer directed her to do so. Notice she was also never subjected to interrogation. No Miranda warning was required here, because Miranda applies to custodial interrogation, not to the arrest itself. The officer receives a B+. Probable cause was established correctly. Force was proportionate, escalated with warnings, and terminated when resistance ended. Composure was maintained throughout. One tactical concern: operating a prolonged ground struggle without a backup unit increases officer safety risk. A procedural gap worth noting regardless of outcome. The subject receives a D. She was offered an exit from arrest at least 3 times. She rejected each one. Her physical resistance converted a misdemeanor situation into a 4-charge arrest with potential felony exposure. Her belief that she did nothing wrong is not a legal defense. It is a factual dispute, and the statute does not require her agreement to establish the elements. 2 lessons this footage illustrates clearly. First, probable cause for disorderly conduct requires more than a staff complaint. It requires a documented third party who was actually alarmed or disturbed. Getting that confirmation on camera before the arrest is what makes the charge stick. Second, once a lawful arrest begins, physical resistance does not unarrest you, it adds charges. Every kick, every refusal to comply, every physical act of noncompliance is a separate chargeable offense under most state codes. The subject ultimately faced resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, criminal trespass, and battery on a law enforcement officer. None of those charges required the officer to do anything wrong.
Why?
Because you're moving around a lot.
Why are you being so nasty?
I'm not being nasty.
You're just like trying to like ruin my life. It's not.
I was trying to give you a ride home and be nice.
You didn't try to do anything nice. You're trying to ruin my life. It's really not nice.
I wanted to drop
It's
you off.
super nice. Not nice to do that, but that's okay. All this is public record, and everyone knows what you're doing. You're like a liar, and everyone knows, so it's okay. Hey,
Carol.
so I'm not doing that. Take my feet out of this. I'm not.
We're not what? Come with us.
So, I understand that, but I'm not.
Right here. There you go. Come on.
So, get off my feet, like.
Come on. Get up. Get up. Yeah, put your feet down. No, ma'am. No, get a wheelchair.
No, thank you. Since you want to act like that, that's you. Okay, I'm good with it. Fine. I'll take a wheelchair.
I don't have to take that off.
And they're easily tied. I just would not be able to
Yeah.
Deputies, can you take these off?
They're really easy. Yeah. Just untie them. It's real easy.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.